ki khubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses, experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Ke East West Group of Institution Bangalore kebeladon kemasan postemi bat ke bapau baha ke kod admission na kebenta ke nursing and paramedical course yang jingte bakambanya kol hakini ke number harum.
Chief Electoral Officer ke Jelau BDR Tiwari ula pentep bayak harai banweng ya ke jing pentrekam ya ke Model Code of Conduct on Shimbat on penbenahi da ke Election Commission of India. Habai keren bigilat petai kubur hadian balada penbenahi ya ke nongjob ya ke MP election na Shlong bat natura. Chief Electoral Officer BDR Tiwari ulang wala ke jing nyaw vote hapok ke jela mat habrok wegari kan kod menta kasngi hendai hakabai dei be jing weng no ya ke MCC na kaliang ke ECI kan sale ya ke beronkam. CEO hapa penpau ke jing ngokumen baka election MP Arja Apsau hapok Meghalaya ka yaj bai klem kuno-kuno ke jing syak pentut bat ula ben rabru ba ula ai khublei ya borok ki pajba ki blei shembenta ban penne ya ke sinchar pajba kata ban wan tap vote ha ke MP election Arja Apsau.
Today, the counting for Silang ST Parliamentary Constituency and Tura ST Parliamentary Constituency in the state of Meghalaya already completed and results already have been declared. In Silang PC, Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan, candidate of Voice of People Party, has secured 5,71,078 votes, and the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Vincent H. Pala, who secured 1,99,168 votes, and Dr. Ricky Andrew J. Sinkan has won the Silang Parliamentary Constituency with a margin of 3,71,910 votes. Other candidates, Dr. M. Ampreen Lingdo from National People's Party has secured 1,86,488 votes. Sri Robert June Kharjana from United Democratic Party has secured 44,563 votes. Professor Lakhan Kama, independent candidate, who secured 18,582 votes, and Sri Peter Salam, independent, he secured 7,024 votes. Altogether, there are 11,008 votes has gone for the none of the above or nota. Total rejected votes are 646. So, certificate has already been given by the returning officer Silang to the winning candidate. Similarly, in Tura Parliamentary, Sri Saleng A. Sangma from Indian National Congress has secured 3,83,919 votes. Srimati Agatha K. Sangma from National People's Party has secured 2,28,678 votes. Sri Jenithiam Sangma, All India Trinamool Congress candidate, he secured 48,709 votes, and Sri Laben C.H. Marak, independent, has secured 6,910 votes. Total 5,840 votes has gone for none of the above, and total 603 votes are rejected. So, in the Tura parliamentary constituency, the candidate of Indian National Congress, Sri Salim E. Sangma, has defeated the National People's Party's candidate, Srimati Agatha K. Sangma, by a margin of 1,55,241 votes. Smooth and very peacefully, and there was no incident of repoll anywhere, no poll violence anywhere reported, and entire process has gone very smoothly. So I would like to really convey my sincere thanks to the people of the state for casting their vote very freely, and very largely they have participated in this function of the democracy. So total the state has 76.6% voters had used their franchise to vote, and PC wise it was 73.78% in Silang parliamentary constituency and 81.37% in Tura parliament constituency. So the overall voting was highest ever in the any parliamentary election in the state. So I would like to simultaneously appreciate and convey my sincere thanks to the entire election machinery in the state who did their very tireless effort to make this moment very successful, and entire election process has went very well. Moreover, the people, the way they have behaved and supported to strengthen the democracy in the state, it is really appreciable. So I would like to similarly thank to the police personnel, CAPF and media personnel also for their always support and communicate, especially to the media person for the communicating the right messages and raising the concern of the people to strengthen the democracy in the state. So this is really a proud moment, and once again I would like to thank each and one for their tireless effort making these elections very successful. This is the overall margin, and it seems very large margin in the Silang parliamentary constituency.
Not a record, man. On your count.
So far, all the data is not with me, so I can't comment, but it seems. There are the several aspects, and they declare and the due process in respect to the once the vote is getting rejected. The detailed procedure is already there, so it is done by the RO, so I can't comment over on which ground which vote has been rejected, but they applied the mind, and in the presence of all the party people, and very transparently entire process has been followed. Mostly EVM votes, it is in the machine, so there is very hardly any chance of the EVM votes to get it.